Rhino Cart is the most versatile, heavy-duty moving dolly on the market, and as with anything, you get better at using Rhino Cart and conquering different obstacles the more you use it. Here are some tips to help you become a Rhino Cart pro. If you know that you'll be going over a threshold or an uneven surface, try to position the weight of the item you are moving toward the back of the Rhino Cart. By putting the weight of the item toward the back of the cart, you make it easier for the front wheels to roll up and over obstacles. Once the front wheels are up, the other wheels will naturally want to follow. Rhino Cart can extend to 46 inches to accommodate large items. Simply twist the pole lock on each of the telescoping poles, extend to the desired length, and retighten. If you're moving an item that is larger than 46 inches, simply separate the skates of the Rhino Cart and place them under each side of the item being moved. Sometimes it may be easier to place your Rhino Cart under half of the item being moved to create a wheelbarrow moving method. This method can give you increased control and leverage in certain cases. And if you ever have any questions about Rhino Cart, you can check out our resources page or contact us at rhinocart.com.